How to change your AirDrop name on a MacBook. If you want your device to show a custom name when people try to send you files, you can update it in just a few seconds. It's useful for privacy, organization, or when you have multiple Apple devices. Here's how to change it. So firstly, we want to open our system settings and we want to go to General. Then from here we want to click on About and you will see this name, MacBook Air. So this is basically the name of your model. And this is also as well name of your AirDrop. So this is what everyone is going to see when they are going to send you like files. So they will see MacBook Air. And to change it, it's very simple. Just have to double click on it. Or if the double click is not working, what you can do, you can hold Control on your keyboard and simply one click. So hold Control on your keyboard and click on it. And this should work as double click also. So now once we are here, we can simply remove it and we can change it to, let's say, AirDrop test. And now you just have to confirm it by pressing Enter on your keyboard. And after that you can close it and we can check it again. So About, and you can see the name is AirDrop test. So now everyone is going to see AirDrop test. So this was a quick video how you can change AirDrop name on your MacBook. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.